How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny forearms naturally, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is my favorite, and that's forearm twists. So just like this. That's 30, keep going. $50, keep going. $100 repetitions, quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do, you guys, is gonna be squeezes. So get your hands, squeeze really, really tight and hold. You should be squeezing as hard as you can. Keep going, 20 more seconds. Keep going, 5 more seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do forearm curls, so just like this. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.